How to fix Rainbow 6 Edge synchronization failed. For this first step, open up settings, click time and language settings, click date and time settings, and verify the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both should be enabled. Click synchronize now. Once complete, after close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app of features to Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Rainbow 6 Edge. It should be enabled in both private and public. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should enable in both private and public. Once complete, after you can close it. If you're not having means, you need to click allow another app, click browse, and you can add it. Using these settings you can add it. Click add in the bottom side and click OK in the bottom side. Before that you need to verify it should be enabled in both private and public. After come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Click yes and reset it. And come to next step, search for command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means, it will show here. Is successfully verified and there is no corrupted file. Click exit. After next step, open up Steam, click library option, right click games, click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game file and wait for some time. It verifying the game files in your device. Once the successfully validate, after close it and go to general option. You have seen the launch option is there. If you are modifying means, you need to revert back